First step, obviously, put your hair up. Okay, so I have all my ingredients out. Have a quart, a 1 quart zip sealed plastic freezer bag. I have half a cup of whole milk, half a cup of heavy whipping cream, 1/4 of a cup of table sugar, and 1/4 a cup of vanilla. So that's what we're gonna put in this bag. Come here, Kaylin. You're gonna help me dump things in. Okay. Okay, give me half a cup of half a cup whole milk. Pour the milk in.
I know you see this.
Yes. Bring the bag over here, lady. Yum. Now we need half a cup of heavy whipping cream. That is right next to you.
Why am I doing all the hard stuff?
I'm doing the most important job is not dropping this.
That's true.
Okay. Heavy whipping. Maybe I should have done the pouring.
No, I would have dropped it.
Can we just ask the dog to come over?
No, he will have major diarrhea.
Okay. Same, because
like
I'm
everyone
lactose
else
intolerant. Okay. 1/4 of a cup of table sugar. So.
The sugar is on the table. Oh, that's half a cup.
That's, yeah, just do half of a cup.
No! It needs to be good, Corinna. All of it, and Dad's gonna be mad.
We have tons more, it's just not in this little thing.
Yeah, but I'm too lazy to get it.
You know what I'm saying?
Ew, this little brown chunk.
Yeah.
Why don't I just put all of it? It needs to be sweet anyways.
That's probably good. That's probably good. That's good. That's good. Stop! You spilled some!
You spilled some.
Okay. Finally, a 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla. I have the vanilla here. Go get a teaspoon.
Vanilla.
A 1/4 teaspoon.
A quarter?
Si, senorita. Quarta.
This is a quarter.
Okay. Pour it in over the bag. Kaylee,
There's water on the floor.
because of you.
Water? Yes.
Okay. Seal the bag. Seal the bag. Mix the contents gently by squeezing and rocking the bag.
We need ice.
Not yet. That's in my second bag. Now we're going to place this bag in the freezer while we are preparing the second.
This is gonna be the creamed ice. I mean the ice cream.
This is just the cream. We're doing the ice next.
And we can just stay
Okay.
till midnight.
3 cups of crushed ice. Okay. Next. You have to stand so far away. That's fine. Okay, next we are going to, we got the second bag. On this one, we're getting 3 cups of chopped ice.
What do
Crushed
you want from
ice.
me?
Okay. There we go. Okay. Half a cup of cold water. Good, cold water. Do you not want tap water? Should we not use tap water?
I don't really give a fork about what we use.
Okay. We have the water. Now we need 3/4 of a cup of table salt. That's
Treat me
a
with
lot
some
of salt.
R-E-S-P-E-C-T. That's what the fork I need.
Can you hold this? I'll do it now. Okay, we're gonna get 3/4 of a cup of salt. I don't think there's enough salt in this.
Corinna, why are you using that salt? We have another salt.
Oh.
A bigger salt.
Oh, where?
In
I
the
was
salt
using the
drawer.
table one.
Obviously in the salt drawer.
I didn't know we had a salt drawer.
Wait, should we use the big salt or the little salt?
The big salt.
No, there's
It's a lot of salt.
But you didn't even do 1/4 cup. In order for recipes to work, you have to do all the way to the line. Or else you're not doing the actual measurement.
Okay, then this one. Is that good?
Yeah.
Okay. We're gonna hope for the best.
And then you put the other stuff inside here, right?
Not yet. So for that one, you're gonna mix by squeezing and rocking the bag once more.
I'm squeezing and rocking.
Well, you might want to close it.
No, I live on the edge.
This one's open. Carefully place the 1 quart zip seal plastic freezer bag with the ice cream ingredients into the first gallon. Okay.
Put it in.
Are you supposed to just stick the whole bag in it?
Yeah.
Like this?
Mhm.
Like this?
Yes.
Like this?
Yes.
Okay.
That's what we did at school.
You may want to wear a pair of winter gloves, according to the directions, since it will get quite cold.
That's why we throw back and forth. Oh Lord. It's cold.
Wait. So this
Hold it.
milk stuff in the middle is going to turn into ice cream?
Yeah.
Oh. Okay. How long do we do this? Continue to rock and squeeze the bag for 10 to 20 minutes until the contents harden to form ice cream.
Salsa.
It's cold. Catch.
Oh, want me to go get some gloves?
No,
Or
we
we
can
can
throw hot potato.
We can roll back and forth with a towel.
No, Kaylee, it's opening. Wait, no, it's
You
not.
want to put it in another bag?
Yeah. Okay, it's really cold, so we're putting it in. Kaylee, you left so much air in this. Oh, I don't want to watch ER.
Your mother was in it.
No, but we never found her.
Yeah.
Okay, Kaylee.